Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove your watch trailers from Netflix. Netflix does not track any of your trailers, but even if you want to remove these trailers, then you should follow along with me in this tutorial and I'll teach you how to do just that. You don't need to worry about anyone seeing your trailer history as they do not keep tabs on it, but if you do want to remove it, then follow along. Firstly, open your Netflix on your browser. As this does not work on your Netflix application, you can do it on your phone or iPhone as well. It also works on laptops. So open your Netflix in your browser. I've opened it in Chrome. Then click on the top left 3 lines. And this page will open. And click on your account. And this will redirect you to another page like this. Then you can see your plans and all your profiles. Click on manage profiles and click on the profile you watch on. Then scroll a bit down and you will see the viewing activity. Click it, then you can see all the trailers of the movies that you've watched. But if you don't like to keep it here, then you can scroll all the way down. Then there is hide all, and if you click on this button, it will hide all your trailers from anybody, and Netflix also won't be allowed to see them. And I hope this video was helpful. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave it on the drop box below. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. It's me, Elise, signing off.